In the sun-kissed city of Syracuse, on the eastern coast of Sicily, a brilliant mind was making waves in the world of science. This was the time of the Hellenistic Age, when Greek culture and knowledge spread across the Mediterranean, and one man stood out among the scholars: Archimedes. Born around 287 BC, Archimedes was a mathematician, physicist, engineer, and inventor. He was the son of an astronomer, and his love for knowledge was ignited by the stars that lit his childhood nights. His thirst for understanding was insatiable, and he delved deep into the intricacies of mathematics and physics. One day, the city of Syracuse found itself in crisis. A mighty Roman fleet had laid siege to her shores, and the city was on the brink of falling. The Romans, with their superior numbers and weaponry, seemed unstoppable. But Archimedes, undeterred by the looming threat, saw an opportunity to use his knowledge to save his city. He devised a disguised weapon, a massive bronze statue hidden among the city's defenses. When the Romans attacked, Archimedes would signal the statue to move, and it would hurl massive stones at the enemy ships, sinking them with ease. This was the claw of Archimedes, a marvel of engineering and physics, a testament to the genius of a single mind. The Romans, taken aback by this unexpected defense, were forced to retreat. They had underestimated the intelligence and ingenuity of the Syracusans, and of Archimedes in particular. The city was saved, and Archimedes was hailed as a hero. However, the Romans did not give up. They returned with a larger force, and this time, they breached the city walls. In the chaos, Archimedes was killed, not by a Roman soldier, but by a Syracusan guard, fearing the city would fall into Roman hands. Archimedes' legacy, however, lived on. His works, though lost for centuries, were rediscovered in the Middle Ages, and his influence can be seen in the fields of mathematics, physics, and engineering to this day. His story serves as a reminder of the power of knowledge, and the indomitable spirit of those who dare to defy the odds.